Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to add flower pattern on white shirt in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the white t-shirt. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now import the pattern design. So go to File, Place Embedded, select flower pattern and place. And transform it to the shirt size. Create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. Hit OK. Flower pattern is added on white shirt. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.